Hello, students. How are you? Think to self. Mostly I am centered, feeling, thinking, believing, or acting. Ignite. Do you remember checking yourself in a mirror? You looked fly, right? Sometimes a book feels like you are looking in a mirror. It's your story, or close. Sometimes we read to know we are not alone. Chunk into pieces. Mirrors, books that reflect your life or personality. Windows take you out, a window figuratively into another world, one you do not know well yet. Chew on it. How is your reading going? Are you reading a book that is a mirror to you, or a window, or a mix of both? Are you seeing a movie in your mind when you read, or is it too hard or easy? Do you need a new book? The goal for you is to find a book you really like, or a book that helps you learn more about the topic or the main character's culture. Click on all three to sample each: graphic verse and fantasy in summer, aka light reading; Asian American Reading Room, which totally rocks; graphic novel ebooks. Review. For today's assignment, answer these questions in the Schoology post. It's fine to still be reading the same book from last week. The author of my book is, the title of my book is, next, a post reflection on part of the book, quote a line of text, or try the prompt, one of my favorite parts of this book is when. Thank you, readers.